Here's what you need to know about alphabets. An alphabet is a set of letters representing the sounds of a language made up of consonants and sometimes vowels. Consonants require the speaker to move their tongue or lips to produce a sound, whereas vowels require no movement of the mouth.
Crack fact! The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta.
Systems of writing have existed for many years, but the concept of an alphabet wasn't invented until between the 19th and 16th century BCE in Egypt, and at first did not include vowels. This original alphabet was called Proto-Sinaitic, the letters of which were derived from Egyptian hieroglyphics. This alphabet was adopted by the Phoenicians and spread around Europe and North Africa due to their large trade network. When it arrived in Greece, the Greeks added vowels, making it the first alphabet to have them.
Crack fact! In the 1800s, the ampersand used to be the 27th letter of the English alphabet, but was later removed.
When the Greek alphabet was introduced to Rome, it was altered to form the Latin alphabet. As the Roman Empire expanded, so did their alphabet, spreading globally over many centuries and eventually becoming the most used alphabet in the world.
Crack fact! The longest word in the English dictionary is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, which is the name of a lung disease.
The main benefit of an alphabet is that instead of having a new symbol for every word or syllable, the symbols are tied to phonemes, which are the smallest unit of sound that distinguishes one word from another. Because of this, the alphabet can be adapted for multiple languages and is easier to understand and learn. Thanks to this writing system, humans have been able to share and preserve knowledge quickly and efficiently, which has helped grow our technology and culture.
Crack fact! The letter W was created to differentiate between the V sound and the U sound by being written as two U's, hence the name W, and is also the only letter in the alphabet with more than one syllable in its name.
So that's what you need to know about alphabets. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If there's a topic you'd like us to make a video about, let us know in the comments below. See you next time!